Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare canned baked beans in tomato sauce, step by step. First, gather your ingredients like the can of beans and any tools you'll need, such as a can opener and a saucepan or microwave-safe bowl. Carefully open the can, then decide if you'll heat them on the stovetop for a classic approach or quickly in the microwave. If you choose the stovetop, pour the beans into a small saucepan. Place it over medium-low heat, allowing them to warm gently. Stir the beans occasionally to prevent them from sticking to the bottom and to ensure they heat evenly throughout. Continue heating for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are hot and begin to bubble slightly. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like. Quick recommendation. After all that kitchen cleanup, why not upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. For a quicker method, transfer the canned beans into a microwave-safe bowl. Make sure to cover the bowl loosely with a lid or microwave-safe plastic wrap. This helps prevent any splattering as they heat up. Microwave on high for 2 to 3 minutes, pausing halfway through to give them a good stir for consistent warmth. Once your baked beans are perfectly heated, they are ready to serve. They make a fantastic side dish for many meals, or even a simple main course. You can easily enhance their flavor by adding a dash of your favorite hot sauce, or for a more savory touch, garnish with fresh parsley or some crispy bacon bits.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.